I'm gonna start off with my eyes since there's a lot of glitter in this look, and I kind of wanted to prep my eyes and do them first before I did the rest of the face. So to prep the eyes, I'm just going to take some concealer and pop that all over my lids and under my eyes just to cover up my dark circles and any veins on my eyelids. I'm also going to pop on some eyeshadow primer, and this one's the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Anti-Aging, just to help the eyeshadow last all day. Next, I'm going to dip into Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession and take this shade on the side here and then just kind of create a crease. And then I'm going to go in with a buffer brush, kind of blend it out a little more. It's okay to be messy at this part because I'm going to go in with some concealer afterwards to cut the crease and kind of clean up everything. I'm going to go in with the Etude House Play Color Eyes in Cherry Blossom. And I'm going to take this color next to the hot pink and kind of just add a little bit more depth into the pink. I think that's like a good amount of pink. I'm also going to apply some to my under eyes just to even out the color. Okay, now for the crease cutting, I'm just going to go back in with the same concealer that I used, and I'm going to place it on my brush. I just feel like this is the easiest way to do it. And I'm going to carve out where I don't really want any eyeshadow. I'm taking the Stila Magnetic Metal in Sunset Cove, and I'm going in with like a fine liner brush that has like a slight curve to it. And I'm just going to grab some product off the doe foot applicator and kind of just slightly line where the concealer meets the pink cut crease. This glitter is like a duochrome glitter, so it's got like some silver, blue, pinky flecks in it, which I feel like looks so pretty. I'm going to take some more of the glitter and line my lower lash line with it, just for a little bit of pop. But now I'm just going to line my eyes with some liquid eyeliner. I'm going to try and keep this as close to my lash line as possible. I'm going to take some of this Anastasia Beverly Hills in the Aurora palette, some highlighter. And I'm just going to take the light pink shade, this one in the middle here, and just kind of line my line with it, just to like open up and brighten the eyes a bit. And I'm going to put some into the inner corners, and then I'm going to add mascara, and this is the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara. And lastly, I'm going to pop on a pair of like my favorite, most natural wispy lashes, which are these ones from Peach. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to complete the rest of my face now. So I'm just going to go in with my favorite Innisfree Velvet Cover Foundation. And this one's in the shade C21. I'm just going to dot this all over my face and then go in with my Beauty Blender to buff it all out. This all out. I don't know if I want to go in with another layer or not. So I'm just going to move on to the blush now. I'm going to go in with some Tarte Party blush on my blush brush. And I'm going to focus it on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to drag it slightly back. Kind of like where I would consider placing highlighter. Like I normally focus my blush around here, but I'm going to kind of like bring it back a little bit. And just slowly build it up. And I want a little bit on my nose. Just like a little cute But I'm actually going to add a little bit of highlighter just for that little angelic glow. And I'm going to go in with that same lunar highlighter that I used on my eyes and just go over my cheekbones, down the nose of my bridge, Cupid's bow. And now for the fun part. I have two holographic kind of glitters with me. So this is In Your Dream Cosmetic Glitter. I have Iridescent Mermaid and Pink Flamingo. And I think I'm just gonna like add a little bit of flex onto my face. So I'm just gonna take some of the MAC Fix Plus and kind of just spray my cheek, because I don't want to use like glitter on my whole face. So I'm just gonna go in and then use my finger to pick up like a tiny bit of pieces and kind of just follow. I don't want too much. Just follow where I put down the highlight. Just for like a slight iridescent reflection, which I thought would just like add to the look and make it a little prettier. And I feel like the holographic in the glitter kind of matches like the holographic in the metallic metal Stila glitter. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Try and like make them as sparse as I can, just so it doesn't look too patchy. I think I like this side better. It's like not as many big chunky pieces. So now that the cheeks and the face are complete, I'm just gonna add a little bit of lippy, and I'm using the Chantecaille lip cheek in the shade Tea Rose. I actually love their lipsticks. So I'm just going to, I feel like this color just complements the eye look so perfectly. Like I feel like they match. I just love how it looks.